Ever had an app crash during peak traffic because your tests didn't mirror real world chaos? Manual load testing misses the mark. Distributed user patterns, SLA deadlines slipping, and environments that behave differently in production. The production load testing suite changes the game. Integrate K6 scripts for HTTP WS testing, automate artillery scenarios with real browser emulation, spin up locust tasks for stateful user journeys, replicate global traffic with geo distributed nodes, and auto detect performance anomalies against baselines. QA engineers, test automation specialists, and SREs, this is your toolkit. Spoiler alert, downtime hates this one weird trick. Here's what's inside the Production Load Testing Suite skill. It automates K6 cloud execution with threshold-based SLA validation, syncs artillery with CI/CD pipelines for zero downtime testing, and deploys Locust in Kubernetes clusters for realistic distributed load. You get pre-built code templates for API stress testing, database connection leak detection, and third-party service degradation simulations. Expert instructions guide you through configuring RPS shaping, latency metrics, and percentile-based pass-fail thresholds. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just testing, it's production insurance. Installing the Production Load Testing Suite skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add production-load-testing-suite. That's it. You'll download 15 expert curated test patterns, SLA validation dashboards, and environment specific config files for AWS, Azure, and on prem. Your next Claude code session auto detects the skill. Your AI now speaks fluent K6 scripting, artillery YAML, and Locust Python. Warning: may cause spontaneous confidence in release reviews. Ready to stress test like a pro? Your servers will thank you.